Seen these crazy trendy wide videos blowing up on Instagram? Stick around. I'll show you how to create them yourself, whether you're on a computer or just your phone. All right, so first up, if you're on your computer, the very first thing you'll need to do is import your media files into your favorite video editor. For this tutorial, I'm using CapCut Desktop to demonstrate, but you can use whatever editor you're comfortable with. Now, once you've imported your files, you'll notice the video is in the regular aspect ratio, usually 16:9. But for that widescreen cinematic look, we need to change it. So just click on the Modify button, and that'll take you straight into the video settings. From here, click on the Resolution button and choose Custom from the menu. For that ultra-wide screen look, you'll need to enter from these three options: 5120 x 1080, 2560 x 540, 1280 x 270. You can enter any of these depending on the quality you need to achieve. So yeah, once you're done here, just go ahead and save the video settings. After that, drag and drop your clips onto the timeline. Now, if you notice they don't quite fit the screen, just scale them up or down a little bit until it looks right, kind of like I'm showing here. And once everything's lined up nicely, the last step is super simple. Just hit export and your video is ready to go. All right, so once you're done exporting, just save the video file and then simply send it over to your phone. And yeah, don't click away just yet because I'll also show you how to upload it, so make sure you stay tuned till the very end. All right, now on your phone, just open up your gallery and go ahead and select the video that you want to post. For example, I'm just going to take this video right here for demonstration purposes. Now you just want to tap on the Edit button in your phone's built-in editor. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, it's pretty much the same thing. From here, what you want to do is just click on the Crop button to start scaling your clip, just like I'm showing you right now. Now the way you're going to scale really depends on your own intuition. So just improvise a little and scale it the way it feels right, keeping in mind similar to other videos you watched. All right, now from here, just open up your Instagram app and go ahead and press the Post button down at the bottom of the screen. Now just select the video file you created earlier or exported from your PC. The main thing here is to make sure you're uploading it as a feed post and not a reel. And that's literally all you need to do. Go back to your profile and boom. As you can see right here, the video we uploaded has that same widescreen cinematic look you were going for. And that's it, you've got your widescreen look. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.